Hello, I'm Tom Kitch. I like to sing Grace Slick's song White Rabbit from the band Jefferson Airplane, the San Francisco rock band. And it's like an adaptation of Lewis Carroll or Charles Dodgson's story Through the Looking Glass, Alice in Wonderland, White Rabbit. One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell them a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, when you've just had some kind of mushroom and your mind is moving low, go ask Alice. I think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, when the white knight is talking backwards and the red queen is off with her head, remember what the dormouse said. Feed your head. Feed your head. The Dormouse said, feed your head. It's a drug song. I'm not advocating drugs, but that was 1967 San Francisco. What can you say? If you like my singing, my name is Tom Kitch, Tomkitch. You can write to me on your computer at tomkitchmusic@yahoo.com, all small case letters. You can send me a picture postcard from your hometown or from anywhere on the road to my P.O. Box, 81442, San Diego, California, 92138, United States of America.